Now I want to invite my friends who are Africans. They are the beauty of the show today. We want to acknowledge that you are very important for us. We are with you. We are so happy that the consulate of Ghana is here. From Nigerian embassy also going to join us. The government representative and officials are here. Dr. Hani, please join us on the stage. I would like to invite Khulud, Shaban, Stephen, please. Without you, it was not possible, of course.
My name is Naya. I'm from the Nigerian embassy. I'm actually representing the ambassador who was supposed to attend the meeting, but it's unavoidably absent.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Michael Vanderpoy. I'm the group chairman of MNC Group. I'm from Ghana, West Africa. That's the gateway to Africa. I want to let you know that we have a lot of investment opportunities in Ghana, gold, in minerals and in farming, in real estate and infrastructure. We have a solid and peaceful climate. Investors are welcome. The two key things to look out for in every investment is political stability, which we can boast of, having successful elections over the years, and a very good climate and peaceful atmosphere. I'm here to network and to look for opportunities to bring to Ghana. We are already in 5 countries. We are here in the UAE. We are in Hong Kong. We are in China. We are in South Africa, and we are opening in Europe. So welcome to Ghana, gateway to Africa. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Joe Osawaye. I can say I'm a bridge between the UAE and Nigeria because I have a couple of businesses in Nigeria, and then we run the #1 African brand called Kiza in the UAE, where we showcase the culture of Africa through sight, sound, and taste. So food from all over Africa. We call ourselves the African Union in the hospitality space. We bring artists from all over Africa to the UAE. I participate and I run businesses in the oil and gas sector, ROVs, and all that stuff in Nigeria. I also do stuff in the telecom space, facility management for the towers and all the infrastructure to run the GSM technology. The power space just opened about 4 years ago. So we work with the distribution companies, transmission companies in another company where I'm an investor. In Dubai, we run Kiza. And if you want to come to Nigeria, I'm sure you have a lot of Nigerians here who can be partners with you to achieve what you're trying to get in Nigeria. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Samata Gifty Bukari, Consul General of Ghana to Dubai. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. My businessman has almost said all. In addition, Ghana is a very stable economy. It is agrarian. We are mostly agriculture. We have vast tracts of arable land. You can crop almost everything in this world. The infrastructure area, the railway, road network, real estate, education, health sector, a lot of potential. So we are inviting you to go Africa and go Ghana. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody in the room. My name is Joseph Emmanuel. I work here in Shoba as a sales manager, and I'm Nigerian. Very much proud. So, working here in Shoba, I stand between Africans, Nigerians, and all African investors who would like to invest in Shoba. I'm your point of contact, and I'll be happy to assist you whenever you look for investment here. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sunil Agrawal. I work for a company called Valvoline, which is the world's biggest independent lubricant company. I head their business cluster for rest of Africa. We already have a very significant business there in Africa right now. And the only thing I would like to talk here, given the opportunity here, for any large multinational company, investment is an investment. So whether it is Africa, whether it is Asia or Latin America. I think the policymakers in these countries, especially the material size markets, they have to realize, they have to come out with a compelling proposition for these companies to invest. We already have, for example, a very large business in South Africa, and we have been trying to replicate it in Kenya and Nigeria as well. But again, the policymakers have to realize, Nigeria is competing for our investment versus Myanmar, versus Vietnam, versus Singapore, versus Malaysia. So they have to start thinking, end to end, to start understanding how are they placed versus the other competitors. Because the capital is not really available that much in plenty. And within an organization like Valvoline, there are people who are always looking down and say, hey, I compare X versus Y. So I would say there are a lot of opportunities there in Africa. However, to realize them into real investment, I think a lot of thinking has to be done.
Hello, my name is Gift. I'm from Zimbabwe. I basically am from a hospitality background and also finance background. Zimbabwe has immense opportunities for tourism, those who are interested in investing in tourism. You might have heard of the Victoria Falls, which is one of the world's 7 wonders of the world. You also have a lot of agricultural opportunities for those who are into agriculture. The climate is fantastic. Throughout the year, you'll be able to have harvests. So here we go.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gillian. I'm from London via Ghana. I'm here because I can help you develop any business strategy in any part of Africa. I help businesses develop and launch products all over Africa, be it insights about each African country, which I feel that it was quite funny here. People were talking about different countries in Africa. Some people said 55, some people said 54, some people said 53. There's still a lot of knowledge that we need to share about Africa. So if you need insights, I'm your girl.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aissatou Sy. I'm a consultant for West African countries. So I'm from Senegal and I was born and raised in France. So I'm helping investors to come and invest in African company. It can be VCs, so for startups, or it can be farming or real estate investments. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. Yeah, my name is Kingsley. I'm from Nigeria. Also, I'm a CEO of Nisi Banas Nigeria Limited. And I also work with Atom McKinsey Property as a development manager. I think this is the time for Africa now. God bless you all.
Good afternoon. My name is Obin Naikocha. I'm a Nigerian. I'm also a Canadian. The big thing about Nigeria is the biggest country in Africa by far. We have Ghana. Ghana is doing very well, next door neighbors. But when you come to Ghana, please don't forget to come over to Nigeria as well. One of the key things we try to do, I have been in the UAE for about 5 years, and there's a lot of interest in Africa now. So what I have tried to do is to try to go back to Nigeria to set up what I call a resource center, so that we'll be able to help investors like you who want to come into the space in Nigeria to look at the market, people who have been there, who can hold your hands as you go around, and help you navigate the areas that will reduce the risk so that you'll be successful in Africa. So you are welcome to any part of Africa, especially to Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Such a diversified, whole continent is here. I'm so obliged that you are here, and all our efforts are for you. And today, I'm going to bridge you with a lot of investors from Europe, from Pakistan, from India, all over the world. That's why I invite you, so you can express what you are looking for, and I can know that whom I have to bridge you for that. Thank you very much on the stage.